the moment, tonight is the night.
Hey guys, it's Crypto Analysis coming at you with an update video on SwftCoin. So I got a $2 super chat from Advent Society 5382. Thank you so much for that. That's awesome. That's amazing. Thank you for the donation, and yeah, I really appreciate it. So thank you. But let's get right into it. So I think it actually held macro support even with this sell-off. So let's see where it's headed. Yeah, so from this low to the high, you can see we broke the 382, but on the macro high, from this low to the high, you can see that we actually are still above 35. So I'd say that as long as it stays over 35, we should be solid. But if this breaks, and just keep in mind, if it does break, then you're looking at a really big move down. I want to say either it's going to go back down to around 19 or worst case scenario 12. But the reason why I don't think it's going to go that low, and I think we're going to go back up, is because think about it. Bitcoin had its sell-off, okay? So we're going back up now. Look, like Bitcoin's at 64K, or sorry, 65K. It literally hit 62,500, and it's now back up to 60. It's up $3,000. Like, I think the sell-off is over, but keep in mind that reset the technicals for Bitcoin. But also look, like, how much lower can SwftCoin go, right? The stock RSI is off the table right now. The stock RSI is literally where it is and where it's been every single time it's reversed, even though if it hasn't, even though if it's a little move, relatively speaking, it's a little move, but at any, like, so over here, let's just take over here as an example. It went up, over here it went up. Like, there's only so much lower that we can go, right? Here, we're at the lowest there is. And then also keep in mind that the RSI is almost in the red, and the last time we were here is over here, and you're still making that higher low on the price. So there's some hopium, but keep in mind, none of this matters if SwftCoin breaks over 35. If it goes under 35 and if it doesn't somehow like come back up and hopefully like consolidate and then move up, then we are going to go back down here. But again, I'm showing you, I don't think that's going to happen because of like the fact that the RSI is completely reset, and this the stock RSI is completely reset, and the RSI is about to hit oversold. And I think that if it does hit 35, if there's one last capitulation up, you're probably going to get a wick somewhere over here. Let me just give you a range, because that always happens, right? It's a shakeout. It's a capitulation. It goes down, and then it closes above support, and then people get shaken out. So let's look at, yeah, so it would be like, maybe, I don't know, that's too crazy, but maybe it'll wick like down here and then come back up, and then like that's when they'll start going back up. I don't think that's going to happen, but I'm just saying. Regardless, as long as you look at your phone and it's over 35, you should be solid. So let's keep it very simple. As long as it's over 35, you should be solid. And if it does reverse from here, then obviously your next target is going to be around 7, which is this previous high right here. And then once that breaks, then we're going to hit that 1 cent 50 mark. That is big resistance. So 1 cent 50 is big resistance. Keep that in mind. I hope that all made sense. Please like, subscribe, comments. Thank you so much for your support. And thank you so much for the super chat. That means a lot. So thank you so much. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.